Hello friends, in this video we will see how to connect a speaker using AUX cable to laptop or to smartphone. We need a laptop or smartphone, speaker and a AUX cable. Let's get started. Here I am using a MI speaker. To on the speaker, I will long press on the power button.
Power on.
You can see here the speaker is turned on. Now we'll see what all ports are available on the speaker. We can find AUX port and a charging port. Now we'll start the connection. I am connecting one end of the AUX cable to the speaker AUX port and another end to the laptop or to the smartphone. Now the connection is successfully done. Here you can see I am playing a story on my laptop. Or on my mobile phone.
You are growing. Don't roam around with your friends all time.
That is connected to the speaker.
Why are you insisting me to study, son Yashwant?
Where on the speaker the output of the audio is being played.
Hello children, welcome to Samagra e-library.
That's it. Hope this video has helped you out. Stay tuned. We will get back to you soon.